And then when you're ready, push the paint and go ahead and do it.
Go at once, investigate. So the two hurried to the southern gate of heaven and looked down to earth. Now, 1,000 li eye could see something 1,000 li away that's like 1,000 miles away. Your Majesty, when I looked down, I saw that the light was come from the eyes of a little monkey. Yes, cried Fair Wind, also known as
Square. There's a house. It's not a square. I thought I had it. Well, one of them there's almost one.
Sure. Okay. So you have to make.
It's right behind the tree here. It's this little thing. Yeah, if she gets on the last step there, that'd be better. It's a little. You should be able to see the moon behind some tree. You able to see it? Yeah? Yeah? You able to see that? Let me take a look and see if it sits here. Oh, hold on there. If you couldn't see it, let me.
Do you see the moon?